Samsung is back with its latest flagship series, the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. These phones are packed with cutting-edge tech, but which one is right for you? Hello tech lover, welcome to my channel, Uncle Man Tech Watch. Today, we're diving deep into their differences, from design to performance, cameras, and more. Whether you're a power user or a casual smartphone lover, this comparison will help you decide. Let's get started. Number 1. Design and build quality. First up, design. The Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra share a similar aesthetic, but there are key differences. The S25 Plus features a 6.6-inch display with a glossy glass back and aluminum frame. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for one-handed use. The S25 Ultra, on the other hand, is a beast. It has a 6.8-inch display with a matte titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on both front and back. It's heavier and bulkier, but it feels more premium and durable. If you prefer a compact, lightweight phone, the S25 Plus is your go-to. But if you want a larger, more rugged device, the S25 Ultra is the way to go. Number 2. Display, size, brightness, and smoothness. Next, let's talk displays. Both phones feature dynamic AMOLED 2X screens with 120 Hz refresh rates, but there are some differences. The S25 Plus has a 6.6-inch display with FHD Plus resolution. It's bright, colorful, and perfect for everyday use. The S25 Ultra, however, takes it up a notch with a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display. It's sharper, brighter, and more immersive, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Both displays are stunning, but the S25 Ultra's larger, sharper screen gives it the edge for those who want the best visual experience. Number 3. Performance, speed, and efficiency. Under the hood, both phones are powered by the same Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, depending on your region. In terms of raw performance, they're almost identical. Both handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease. However, the S25 Ultra has a slight advantage with its larger vapor chamber cooling system, which keeps it cooler during extended gaming sessions. So if you're a hardcore gamer or power user, the S25 Ultra might be worth the extra investment. Number 4. Camera. Which one takes the best shots? Now, the camera showdown. This is where the S25 Ultra truly shines. The S25 Plus features a solid triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. It takes great photos in most conditions, but it's not groundbreaking. The S25 Ultra, on the other hand, is a photography powerhouse. It boasts a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and 2 telephoto lenses for up to 10x optical zoom. It's perfect for zoom enthusiasts and professionals who want the best possible shots. In daylight, both phones perform well, but the S25 Ultra's zoom capabilities and detail retention are unmatched. For low-light photography, the S25 Ultra also has the edge thanks to its larger sensors and advanced processing. For video, both phones can shoot in 8K, but the S25 Ultra's stabilization and dynamic range are superior. If photography is a priority, the S25 Ultra is the clear winner. Number 5. Battery life and charging. Battery life is crucial, and both phones deliver. The S25 Plus packs a 4800 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate use. The S25 Ultra, with its 5500 mAh battery, offers even better endurance, making it ideal for heavy users. Both phones support 45 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging, so there's no difference here. However, the S25 Ultra's larger battery gives it a slight edge for those who need all-day power. Number 6. Software and features. Both phones run One UI 7 on Android 14, offering a smooth and customizable experience. However, the S25 Ultra has a few extra tricks up its sleeve, like enhanced X mode for desktop-like productivity and S Pen support for note-taking and drawing. The S25 Plus is no slouch though. It handles multitasking and everyday tasks with ease, but it lacks the S Pen and some of the Ultra's productivity features. If you need a phone for work or creativity, the S25 Ultra's extra features make it the better choice. But for most users, the S25 Plus is more than enough. 7. Price and value. Finally, let's talk price. The S25 Plus starts at $999, while the S25 Ultra starts at $1,299. Is the S25 Ultra worth the extra $300? If you want the best display, camera, and productivity features, absolutely. But if you're looking for a more affordable, compact option, the S25 Plus is still an excellent choice. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.